Hello guys, and today as you can see there, we are doing the flip top magical spinner. So we did it 3 times. Here's the first one, and it failed miserably. It just broke right there, pow. And then we tried a second time, and which is right there, looks like it did it, but you see a little squiggly right there. So where you spin it, it broke. So we had to try it a third time. So we tried a third time. I moved the thing, and then I don't see any type of spaghetti, and we did it. And then spin it hard, let it go, and as you can see right there, it flipped. Pow.